Alright, y'all, we're back. I finally went and got the fuel pump for this truck, and we're about to put it in. As you know, in the last video, I got the bed off. It's over there. And yeah, so as far as I can tell, if you've never done one of these, I haven't on this truck anyway. I've done it on a bunch of cars, but this is the fuel pump, and apparently it's not like the newer cars. You don't have to have that special tool to pop the lines off. You actually have to twist those loose. So this bottom one nut seems to be a 19, and this top one seems to be a 17. Break those loose. Use the pliers, pinch those together, pop that off. And we'll do the same thing on this one. Unscrew that, slot it off. Well, I don't think it's going to slot off easy though, the rusty ass shit. And then we'll work on getting this off. But right now I'm going to do this, and then I'll get back to y'all because key. Oh, that broke off. Sweet. That's it. Okay. Well, the gas gauge don't work, but there's a pretty good bit of gas in there, and this is crusty as fuck. I'd say this fuel pump definitely doesn't work. It's fucked. Oh my god. Oh my, dude. Watch out for that pad. Fuck. Oh my god, it stinks. Look at that. Look at that thing funky. Is this gas tank's like metal too? I bet it's like funky as fuck in there.
You said the gas gauge don't work?
It says it's full, but it's not full. But there is a good bit in there. But that floater probably isn't very accurate. Oh my god, dude. Let me take this off here so I can. Yeah, it's fucking funky in there. Let me turn the light on, that probably help. Look, there's like shit everywhere. I don't even know how I'm going to clean that out, honestly. It's fucking bad. I wonder how much a gas tank is.
I was just thinking that.
I might just get another gas tank. Oh, yeah, it's real bad, dude. Way up in there is... Oh, damn. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know how I'm going to fix that problem. Let me stick my phone in there. Bruh. I bet this gas tank can't cost that damn much. Well, like $100.
I don't know. I have to look it up and see how I can get my
Yeah, I don't know. I'm about to look it up.